Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately after washing. Towel blot hair until damp and manageable, about 70–80% dry. You do not need perfect parts. Instead, create irregular sections by finger parting and use clips to hold them. Once a section is isolated, gently palm roll and twist to encourage initial cohesion, then secure its base with a loose clip. Make sure to apply a pea-sized amount of natural oil to ends only, avoiding scalp buildup. This preserves grip. You now focus on texture. Place a microfiber towel over a section and rub in circular motions for about 5–10 minutes to roughen the cuticle. Once done, palm roll the section firmly, then use short, gentle backcombing strokes toward the root to seed small knots. Repeat the towel rubbing and palm rolling cycle, letting each section rest for a few minutes between passes so it sets. Make sure to monitor tension. Too much force frays hair. Too little stalls lacking progress. You finish by air drying your sections completely. Do not use heat, and allow the locks to set for several days. Once dry, protect them at night with a loose satin wrap and continue weekly towel sessions and palm rolling to encourage uniform locking. If a section refuses to form and stays frizzy, focus additional 5–10 minute towel and palm roll cycles on that area and consider a targeted small backcomb to seed knots. Make sure to avoid crunchy products. Soft maintenance preserves natural freeform texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.